Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to block someone on Google Meet. Have you ever had someone join a Google Meet meeting who you didn't want there? All right, so in this tutorial, I'll show you how to block someone from your meeting to ensure that only the right people are participating. How do you do that? Just go to meet.google.com and join or start your meeting. So let's say this is my meeting. I head over to new meeting and I click on start and instant meeting. Once you're in the meeting, make sure you are the host, as only hosts can remove or block participants. So on the right hand side of the meeting screen, you will see a list of all the participants in your meeting. You can go ahead and click on people and you see all your participants. Or in just the right hand side of the meeting, you see a list of all your participants in your meeting. Alternatively, click on people and to view the list of participants if it's not already visible. Now, while you cannot technically block someone in the traditional sense on Google Meet, you can remove them from the meeting and prevent them from rejoining. So hover your mouse over the name of the participant that you want to remove and click on the three dots icon. This is myself, so I cannot block myself apparently. So click on the three vertical dot next to your name, and from the options you're going to find, you're going to see remove. So select remove from the drop down menu. Once you remove someone from a Google Meet, they won't be able to rejoin the meeting unless the host allows them back in. You can also prevent re-entry, which is optional. If you want to ensure the removed participant doesn't try to rejoin the meeting, make sure your meeting settings are configured to prevent this. So click on the three dots. No. Head over here, click on host controls, and in the host controls section, go ahead and turn on host management. And it says let contributors share the screen, turn on your phone, turn on your video. Hosts must join before anyone else. With access type open trusted. So go ahead and change this to trusted, meaning people can, oh, no one has to ask to join. People can join without asking if they're invited using a Google account. Everyone else must ask to join. Anyone can dial in by phone. So just go ahead and click on that trusted, not open. If it's open, it means no one has to ask to join. Anyone can dial in. But click on this and that's it. So this will prevent anyone, including the person you've removed, from rejoining without your permission. All right. So if you're using Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, administrators have more control. So they can restrict meeting access or block certain users from participating in any meetings within the organization. So here is it. In the Google Admin Console, go to apps, go to Google Workspace, go to Google Meet, and choose the settings for the meeting, such as who can join meetings, and select who can be blocked. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.